The birth of the Galaxy Note 9. Behind the scenes video from Samsung's factory. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 units are getting ready to ship out to their lucky owners tomorrow. But in the meantime, Samsung offers a view of their birthplace, the factory in South Korea. It's an interesting video. You have to watch the background carefully to spot any humans. Most of the work, it seems, is done by machines. They even boot up the new Note 9 units to check if everything is okay. If you're in the mood to watch more Note 9 manufacturing videos, here's how the aluminum chassis is built.